How to create barcode in Microsoft Word. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on any browser of your choice. Today I'm using my Google Chrome. Now the next thing you want to do is to head over to the search bar, and then you'll be typing font on the search bar. Now you're going to be clicking on the first website that says Da Font. Now you want to head over to the right hand side of your screen and click on the search bar, and then you'll be typing code on the search bar. Code, and these are the results from your search. Now you want to search for any barcode here, the font that you like, and when you find a font that you like, you want to go to the side of it and click on download. And now after downloading, you are going to head over to the file location, and you should see a zipped file just like this on your screen. You want to tap on it. Now tap on this other file, go over to the left hand side of your screen, and then you want to click on install. Now this is showing that I have already installed, but if you are just installing, it will let you know when it's done installing. Now just head over to my Word document on WPS, and these are the numbers I would love to change to barcode. Now you want to head over to your font type. Now over there it has a search bar. You are going to type in the name of the font you just downloaded from your Google Chrome. Now as you can see over there, once you click on it, the numbers that was formerly typed there has been changed into barcode. And this is how simple it is to create barcode in Microsoft Word. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.